Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Stripe checkout for WooCommerce payments step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section on the left sidebar. Click on Add New. In the search bar, type WooCommerce and press Enter. Locate the official WooCommerce plugin and click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate. Next, return to the Add New Plugins page. This time, search for Stripe for WooCommerce. Find the Stripe for WooCommerce plugin and click Install Now. After installation, click Activate. Now, locate WooCommerce on the left sidebar and click on Settings. In the WooCommerce settings, click on the Payments tab. You will see a list of available payment methods. Look for Stripe and enable it by checking the checkbox. Click on Set Up or Manage next to Stripe. You will see several configuration options. First, enter your Stripe API keys. To obtain these keys, log into your Stripe account. Navigate to the Developers section in the Stripe dashboard. Under API keys, you will find your publishable key and secret key. Copy these keys back to your WooCommerce settings. Make sure to enter the keys in the appropriate fields. Optionally, you can enable additional settings such as payment request buttons. Once you have configured everything, scroll down and click Save Changes. Next, you will want to test the checkout process. Visit your online store and add a product to your cart. Proceed to checkout to verify that Stripe checkout is displayed. Complete a test transaction using the test card details provided by Stripe. Once confirmed, you can switch from test mode to live mode in your Stripe settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.